Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Remove the base enclosure, battery, hard disk drive, RTC battery, card reader board, fan, system board, subwoofer, audio USB board, DC-in power connector, display panel assembly, display panel bezel, hinge covers, and display panel. Note: take notice of the cable routing for later replacement. Disconnect the display panel cable connection to the webcam. Carefully peel up any grounding tape that remains attached to the display panel cable. Carefully lift the display panel cable out of the routing channel. If necessary, peel the display panel cable away from the display enclosure. Remove the display panel cable. Connect the display panel cable to the webcam. Adhere any grounding tape that came with the display panel cable. Route the display panel cable along the left inside edge into the routing channel and around the left hinge.